it's me. I'm back with another video for my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I made a scrolling game, or just a top-down scroller. Firstly, I'd like to explain what the game's genre is. A top-down scroller can be broken down into two parts. A scroller is a game where the map is actually larger than the player's camera, so the camera follows the player. And a top-down is just no gravity. It's not really like a platformer. For example, a maze game is a top-down. Okay, takes some time to load because I'm recording. I know my microphone is a bit dead on this computer because, well, whenever I listen to my videos on YouTube, my voice is pretty croaky. Okay, so I'll tell you how I made this. If you want to see a preview of the game, I'll do it right now. Full screen and start it. You use the arrow keys to move. And as you can see, I'm avoiding the red walls, which means if you touch red, you die. Just wait for that. But as you can see, the camera actually follows the player for a much bigger map, and I won. Yeah, you have to double click it. I'll add that in the instructions until the end of this video if I can remember. Okay, so I'll tell you how I made this game. For the first set, I was watching Griffpatch's video on how to make a scrolling game. I thought it was a bit too complicated for me. So I realized, hey, what if not the player is moving, but the background? Okay, firstly, backgrounds don't move. But secondly, you can create a sprite which seems like a background. You just have to make it super big, and the exposition can go pretty weird. So 300%. A costume like this on 300%, nope, Scratch will not allow that. Which is exactly why you have to put a costume which is extremely small in order to set it to 300% and then switch it to the big costume, and Scratch will never notice. Okay. So now, as you can see, in a scrolling game, any game, 3D game, when you go forward, the background basically goes backwards, which is exactly what I made with the background sprite. Pretty simple. I just made it do some lasers as well, and yeah. There's also a death screen if you touch the red. Wonder what happened there. Okay, yeah, I'll have to fix that. No, we don't really need to wait nothing seconds. Maybe it will work now. There. Okay, you definitely have to double click the green flag, so I'm going to just add that right now instead. Double. It's pretty simplistic because it was just my first try. That's why it's called simplified, right? Don't know why that title is good. I mean, what? Okay, yeah. Now that's about it for this video, I think. Pretty short though. But actually, okay, so I'll tell you, the sprite is already like that, right? But what about if it goes out? Because you know, a level can't truly be bigger than the backdrop, like the actual backdrop. So I just made the backdrop red, and yeah, you just can't go infinite. But keep an eye on the Y and X position on this. Usually the X position can only go up to something like 240, and the Y can only go up to 180 to negative 180. So wait, why can't I? Okay, now you can already see that if I keep on going down, the Y position is irregular. That is definitely because of the size. If I died. Okay, I'll keep on going down. Double click. And show you what I actually mean. There. 484. And I'll be, that's not the limit. Okay, let's do the X position. 600. The X position is definitely larger because, as you can see if you follow my mouse pointer, the X position goes from here all the way over to there. And the Y position, look at my cursor, goes from here all the way down here. And you can obviously see that the X position is definitely larger. Now, that's about it for this video. And here's a quick gameplay. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please play a game. Link is in the description. Like this video. Don't dislike it. Okay. And yeah, thanks for giving this video a view. And also remember to check out my Scratch account. I think the link. Yeah, actually, you can just search up my name in the search bar and you'll find it, along with some of the other games I haven't done a video on. And yeah, that's about it. Also follow my studio, create a Scratch account. Scratch is really good. You don't really have to learn anything at first, but you can progress to higher advanced levels. Yeah, and my friend, he kind of stole my idea, so he's going to give me credit in his next projects with my scrolling idea. And by the way, if you forgot or don't know, my scrolling idea is the backdrop sprite moves. Okay, well, I guess bye for this video.